You clicked on this video because you have heard the rumors. Is AI about to take over software engineering? Are we all about to be replaced by machines? Let us set the record straight right now. This video is for anyone who writes code, wants to write code, or just wonders what the future holds for software engineers. Stick around, because the truth is more optimistic than you might think. Imagine a junior engineer named Sam. Sam has been hearing that AI is coming for all the coding jobs. Every headline, every social media post, it is the same story. But is it true, or is there more to the story? Let us break it down. There are three big reasons why AI cannot fully replace software engineers. First, software engineering is not just about writing code. It is about solving problems, understanding user needs, and making decisions in messy, real-world situations. Second, AI tools are only as good as the data and instructions they are given. They need human guidance to build anything truly useful. Third, technology is always changing. The best engineers are the ones who adapt, learn, and use new tools to their advantage. AI is just the latest tool in a long line of innovations. Now, here is where things get interesting. Instead of replacing engineers, AI is making good engineers even better. Think about it. With AI, you can automate repetitive tasks, catch bugs faster, and even generate code snippets in seconds. That means more time for creative problem solving, designing better systems, and building things that matter. Have you ever used an AI code assistant? It is like having a superpower in your editor. But let us get back to Sam. At first, Sam was worried, but then Sam started using AI tools at work. Suddenly, tasks that used to take hours were done in minutes. Sam was not just keeping up. Sam was getting ahead. The fear turned into excitement. What else could Sam accomplish with these new tools? Here's a quick list of ways AI can boost your productivity as a software engineer. 1. Automate code reviews and testing. 2. Generate documentation and boilerplate code. 3. Help debug complex issues by suggesting solutions. 4. Keep you up to date with the latest best practices. 5. Free up your time for the work that really matters. Now, you might be wondering, if AI makes everyone more productive, will there be fewer jobs? Here is the twist. As productivity goes up, the demand for great engineers actually increases. Companies want people who can use these tools to deliver more value faster. And when demand goes up, so does compensation. The engineers who embrace AI will be the ones leading the way. So, what happened to Sam? With AI as an ally, Sam became a 10x engineer, not because Sam worked harder, but because Sam worked smarter. The real threat is not AI replacing engineers. It is AI replacing engineers who refuse to adapt. But for those who are willing to learn and grow, the future is brighter than ever. Here is the most valuable insight. AI is not here to take your job. It is here to make you better at your job. The misconception that AI will replace all software engineers is just that, a misconception. The real winners will be those who use AI to amplify their skills, solve bigger problems, and create more value than ever before. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. You are clearly serious about leveling up your skills. I am a one-person team working hard to make each video better than the last. Subscribe if you found value. It is the best way to support this work and make sure you see future videos. Drop a comment with your biggest takeaway. I read and respond to every single one. Check the description for exclusive resources to accelerate your learning. See you in the next video where we will dive even deeper into becoming a master of machines.